Right, what we'll do now is we'll check that the audio is okay, so we'll go to Tools, Audio, and go to the Audio Setup Wizard. And at this point we'll follow through the steps here to select our audio devices and check that everything's okay. So in the speakers we'll now play, and we can change the volume. Okay, and once you get the right volume you can just click stop and the recording will stop. Okay, it'll ask if you were able to hear that volume. Okay, and we'll click yes. Okay, and at this point we'll pick whatever our microphone type is. We'll click OK, and we can have multiple talkers, single talkers as a setting. And what we'll do is we'll record. Okay, we'll record testing, 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 testing. Stop the recording and we'll play that back. Okay, on mine it sounds a wee bit faint, so what I can do there is I can say no, and we can try again. Okay, we'll say okay. We'll keep the volume up a bit and we'll record again, and it sounds like I'm getting better audio this time from the single talker and with this up a bit, so we'll stop and see how that plays back. It's a wee bit better, but it's not great by any means. We'll say yes just now because it's just a demonstration, just to let you see how this works. And then we'll click OK, and that's us. We've tested the audio.